Hello everybody. Today I will be making tortillas, or you might call it wraps, in a healthy way. Of course, we always try to find a healthier version, especially me at home. Okay, I have here a container of lentils. I always buy these lentils, also the regular ones which have the skin. I will be using these lovely red lentils. Okay, this is 1 cup and I'm going to pour it in there. So what I'm going to do is blend this up into flour. Okay, so let me close this up and I will blend this dry in the blender. Give it a little shake and blend it again. Alright, so that should do. Okay, so there we go. We blended it up. Now in the bowl it goes. Okay, here is your choice to put whatever spices you love to have in your tortillas. I'm going to add just a pinch of cumin, just a pinch, a little tiny pinch, and some olive oil. I want to add a tablespoon of olive oil and a pinch of salt. If you don't want to add salt, you don't have to, but I'm adding salt because I make these things. I make little things sometimes for the first break or for the last break for my husband and my son. Okay, so I'm rinsing the blender with water. The 1 cup of water I have in here. What we do is just stir this up and just pour the water. There's 1 cup there. And we try to take away whatever lumps you find there. Just squeeze it against the wall. Simple as that. In the meantime, I'm heating up my pan on medium low, so that way it's ready for me just to add the batter. Okay, so this is a little bit thick, still some that is not well mixed, so I'm gonna add, I have another cup here, so let me add half of that. You can make these sweet and savory if you wish. You don't have to make them with salt or just without anything. I do it this way because I like a little bit of flavor on. Okay, so I add 2 cups of water total. There's another way that you can do it. You can soak the lentils and then you can blend it up after and have it liquidy same way. It's, I guess, more easier, I guess, for the, because you do it all in the blender, right? I like to do it this way. Alright, so now that all is mixed well, checking for any more lumps. That way I just squeeze it out. Okay, so in the first one, I put a little bit of oil in my first one. Always I do that, I don't know, because of my bad experiences, I guess. We're going to kind of stir it. Every time you pour something in there, stir it first and then scoop it out, okay? That way you don't end up with a thicker leftovers. You know, you want to mix it all, incorporate it, make it all equal, because or else you'll end up just with a thick part. Okay, so just give it a mix and then grab a scoop and then just turn your pan, put it more lower. It seems to be a bit too high. Alright, so this one is already bubbling up because the pan was really hot. And the first one always comes out for some reason wrong or bad. Okay, so we put it on a plate and keep on making the rest. So again, let's not forget, before we scoop it out, stir it and then pour. And then try to turn it so it spreads around. There's some that have not blended up, mixed up properly. This is a very easy recipe. I mean, all you have to do is just add water. And if you wish, you add salt and other spices. It's your choice. That's optional, right? And you can see how it bubbles up. It's a very simple, easy recipe. I just unstick all around it before I even want to turn it. Looks like it's lovely. All right, my friends, so here's the results. I got 7 tortillas. One is missing because my little one had one. And they are flexible. You can roll them and they're not as bad. Very simple, very easy recipe. I hope you try it out. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. Thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.